Starting is hard, but staying consistent, that's the real challenge. We think motivation will carry us, but motivation fades. Progress doesn't come from big moments. It comes from boring, consistent effort over time. It's not the crazy workouts or crash diets, it's brushing your teeth, it's taking the stairs. It's choosing grilled over fried. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than yesterday. 1% better every day adds up to success. You will slip. You will want to quit. But your goal is still waiting, and every time you show up anyway, you're becoming unstoppable. Consistency is the key to success. It's not about being perfect, but about making progress every day. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve your goals. Celebrate your small victories. Each step you take is a step closer to your goal. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Use them as motivation to keep going. You have the power to create the life you want. Stay focused and stay committed. Your journey is unique and your progress is personal. Keep showing up, keep putting in the effort, and you'll see the results. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Drop a comment. What habit are you building this week?